Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 90,000 subscribers. Yeah! Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Polokwane City 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I'm joined by Zane.
Oh, last TV.
Sure. Where did it go wrong for Sundowns?
No, nothing go wrong.
Yes.
Nothing went wrong.
Yes.
Sundowns re lose it.
Yeah.
Then ki GNU. What's it? Ki GNU.
GNU, Chiefs, Pirates, and
GNU. Yeah, it will be United. Then team GNU give me Wush. It will be United.
All other teams.
So as from '96 next year.
Yeah.
Can I remind you something? As from '96, Ronaldo 28 years now.
Yes.
Then Man Rangers in L1 league. Man in Rangers in L1 league.
Yes.
Santos in L1 league.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs in L4 league.
Yes.
Pirates in L4 league.
Yes.
Super Sport in L3 league.
Yes.
Then out of 28, only one team share 14 leagues. Then why today? Why it's a 50%?
Yes.
That's why it's a GNU.
Yes.
So today, only today.
Yeah.
We are talking about. What do you call it? Sundowns is going down. No, Sundowns is not going down. It's not going anywhere. Even Mangoba is going nowhere. Mangoba is going nowhere.
What's about this team?
No, Steve.
What's about the for
Steve. No, Steve. Sundowns Steve will always be the best. All the 15 teams, when they resume league, they play against Sundowns.
Yes.
All 15 teams, when we resume league, they play against Sundowns.
Steve ke le sana wana ne a ke ga no jiwa ke tla la game e ke tla la bolo sharp yes Sundowns e felleditse coach rata Sundowns re felleditse ka pitso ka Rulane Mangoba re feselo.
He's not a coach.
Oh, it's not a coach for Sundowns. It's a coach. It's a coach for Golden Arrows. We are not a small team. You can't say that. Sundowns, if we lose when we are playing good football, no, this guy must go. The guy must go.
Mangoba must go.
The guy must go. The guy must go. The guy must go.
Steve, Sundowns Mangoba ki coach are. Asena ki jwala Steve. Boy, Mangoba Steve I fail. You remember that game? You remember that game ya TS Galaxy le Sundowns when Mangoba told Rulane not to fail the Zungu. Mangoba is the mastermind.
Already we lose.
So only one lose.
We lost 3 games.
For lead. No. We're still going for a member.
Already we lost 3 games. Already we lost it. Sometimes we used to lose 1 game.
Not to be a coach now.
I'm already we lost 3 games.
Shuffle.
No.
Who's going to be a coach?
No.
Who's your new coach?
Benny Meket.
Which Benny Meket?
I said,
so all 3 big teams baluse game jaga. All big teams baluse game jaga. Pirates asanga lose ne?
Yes.
Glumela Pirates asanga lose. Chiefs is not a big team. Chiefs is not a big team. Chiefs is fighting for top 8. You know, that's the biggest achievement for Chiefs this season. Top 8. Who have a coach? Mangoba will remain our coach even. Season in fella. Champion.
Saturday. Right the time nicabana nonke ngenxa yotshwala ne. Maye masofaka iKaizer Chiefs mfethu. Ayasilimaza ngoba iChiefs iteam enkulu. Yabona
league champion it's not a cool level. For 28 years for league champion. Man of the match.
Chiefs is a big team. Go on. You know, check it now. The level.
But I Googlish. Googlish. Stadium.
Obvious. Stadium of Atuleva Stadium. We know where team Ratzibar Batwell Bachona. They are few. Batwell Bachona, they are few, Steve. So, Sapodra Chiefs will revenge. Sapodra Chiefs will revenge because of Abajo. No, it's not about
yeah, key.